In this tutorial, we will take a look at the first step in the Mobile Form Wizard. That first step is to create and name sections for each page of your form. You will need to create at least one section for every page that you want included in the mobile version of your form. By creating more than one section for a page, you give yourself the option of grouping different objects together and the ability to move these groups around your mobile form. This is important if you want your mobile form displayed in two-column configuration. To create a section, simply press the plus button in the right-hand Properties panel. Enter a name for that section if required in the dialog box. Do be aware that this name will be displayed on the mobile form, so if you don't want a section named, just leave this part blank. Repeat this process for any other sections you want to include on that page. Do remember to repeat this process for any other pages that you want included in your mobile form version.